This is my presentation of the chocolate study. I agree to the informed consent. I know that the purpose of the study is to identify the differences between chocolate A, which is Hershey's, and chocolate B, which is Dove. I believe my results will be confidential. There's no monetary compensation for the study, and participation in the study is voluntary. For the quantitative questionnaire, I'm 27 years old, I'm a female, I'm not allergic to nuts, I'm not hungry at the moment, I am not concerned about cholesterol and cholesterol consumption in foods and desserts. Sometimes I avoid unhealthy foods, sometimes I don't. I love chocolate, I definitely do not hate chocolate. I love Hershey's brand chocolate, that's my normal go-to just because that's what I grew up with. And I haven't really tried Dove's chocolate, so I don't like it and I don't hate it. So, the procedure for the study is to rinse your mouth with water, taste chocolate A, which is Hershey's, think about the taste and describe it as you're tasting it, rinse your mouth, taste chocolate B, Dove, and repeat. My quantitative results for the study was the texture and the moistness was on point. The flavor was alright, I could eat it or walk away. The appearance was okay. Overall, I really liked the chocolate. For my qualitative results, the chocolate tasted very smooth. I definitely felt the bliss point. So the bliss point by Michael Moss has been described as the precise amount of sugar or fat or salt that will send consumers over the moon. So when food companies make desserts such as chocolate, they try to find that one picture perfect point between the sweetness, the saltiness, and the fat to make consumers keep coming back. One thing that I don't like about Hershey's is that it usually has a waxy or plastic aftertaste, so that's the one thing that keeps me from giving it a complete 5. It feels satisfying, but not enough to want another piece. As for the Dove chocolate, I actually ended up really liking it. The texture, the moistness, the flavor, the appearance, and the overall rating were all 5s. While I was eating it, it was smooth, it was creamy, and it didn't have that waxy aftertaste. While I was eating it, it felt very warm, tasty, and good. I used lecture notes from Dr. Janice Habaglos for the study and an excerpt from Michael Moss's book, Salt, Sugar, Fat, How the Food Giants Hooked Us. Thank you.